Dang, this thing is beefy. There it is. You guys saw it here first. Like right now, this feels weird. It feels like the engine is more powerful. It's using its full potential, if that makes any sense. So there's one thing about the car that I'm driving, the Integra. There's this issue with this 1.5 liter engine. There's a lot of rocking. I read that it's because the displacement is so small. This car just tends to rock a lot, front to back. And it usually happens around first gear, second gear, as you're changing gears. And also it happens to me when I'm driving slowly and whenever I accelerate. It's not a very confidence-inspiring feature of this car. It boils down to the RMM, the rear motor mount. And I've seen people replace it, and afterwards, the results are exceptionally good. 95% of people who replace their RMM, the car drives completely differently. It doesn't rock anymore. It doesn't feel like a rowboat. Basically, the difference between this aftermarket one and the stock one is it's a lot stiffer. I've already ordered the part. It's from PRL. I'm looking forward to getting it and installing it with you guys. Whew. Dang, this thing is beefy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. PRL HC11 RMM. Jeez, look at this. Look at this bushing. My gosh. This whole thing can just slide back. There we go. This one is the 19, and then this is the 17. And this is in the way a little. So I've seen people do it online, and all they did was push. Yeah, see, it flexes a little. So push this up a little if you need a little more clearance. I think it should clear pretty easily. Hopefully it's not on there too tight. Okay, it's budging. Nice. There we go. Oh, perfect. Sweet. Awesome. Wow, that was easier than everything else that I ever do on my car. There we go. 17 millimeters. Okay. Look at this. This whole engine's moving. So now you can see why this, when you drive and you shift, especially in first, second gear, it like feels like a rowboat. This whole engine mount is moving. Okay. Oh, sweet. Oh, nice. Okay, it is muddy. Okay. Yeah, so the key, just hold this with your hand. There we go. Ah, dude, awesome. Oh, I am so thankful they did not put this crazy thing on at 200 foot-pounds. This whole thing can come down. There you go. Just don't get your finger caught in there, it'll hurt. Huh, different lengths. So this is the 17 here, and this is the 19 here. Okay, just shimmy it out and down. Wow, that was really easy, and I feel like there's nothing that's ever been easy. So this is a welcome. Look at this. So this flexes, and there's all this space to flex. This has zero area, right? Zero empty space to flex. So I guess generally speaking, we want to put this so the PRL is facing upwards so you can read it. So I wonder if I do this first. I know there's no closed here, but slide it in through the top if it'll fit. We need to push this in, so go that way. There it is. There it is. You guys saw it here first. And that takes care of itself. Perfect. Awesome. Now I don't have to mess with pushing this up or taking it out. So hand screw this. It's already lined up. Okay. Unscrew this. And then we're gonna wanna just use this for the rest of it. Okay, so it's snug, here snug. I'm gonna do 65. There it is, 65. Let's test it out. Whoa, yeah, I felt it. When I first started it, you could hear it like a loud dong. The vibration's definitely louder, it's more noticeable. Now it sounds like a deeper sound. Feeling wise, nothing noticeably different. I have heard that when people turn on the AC, it's a different story, so let's turn on the AC. After turning on the AC, you feel it in the brake, and I'm feeling it in my seat. I'm gonna go for a quick drive. Right now, you can feel the vibration in the car. If you have a passenger in the car who doesn't sit in your car a lot, they probably wouldn't really notice it. Yeah, a lot of people online, after switching their rear motor mount, they talk about how it feels like a completely different car. I'm gonna have to agree with them, so far at least, because this feels really... Like right now, this feels weird. Like, even going from like accelerating on first and even accelerating on second, it feels like the engine is like more powerful, or like it's using its full potential, if that makes any sense. I mean, I guess that makes sense, but it's like, I don't know, it's just something I don't really think about. So yeah, I'm another thing about the difference I feel now, it's almost as if there's no like downtime when you're waiting for your like the few milliseconds and stuff when you're waiting for your clutch to like really grab on and take the bite. It's like your clutch bites immediately. But yeah, this is crazy right now. This feeling is, it really does feel completely different.